You mentioned, Judge, your involvement with the Texas Supreme Court Historical Society, which obviously seems like a natural fit for you. Um, were you involved in putting together the Taming Texas program that's going out to the elementary age and middle school age kids?
Well, I'm in my second year as chairing that for the Houston Bar Association, which is the Houston component. That's where it was rolled out. I did not put it together though. David Furlow, Warren Harris, Brett Busby was very involved. Um, at the beginning, Jim Haley and Marilyn Duncan have written the books, which are fantastic. A new one has just come out. If it hadn't, it's about to. On the Chief Justices, it's the third in a series. And these books are distributed around the state to school libraries. And the program's been tremendous. Richard Whiteley of Bracewell and Patterson and I are chairing the Teach Texas Committee in Houston for the second year in a row. And we're getting it rolled out in Dallas and Austin and San Antonio. It's a great program. It's been very successful in Houston. Just thousands and thousands of kids have learned about the court system.
Well, I know they're trying to get it rolled out in Dallas and in Austin as well. Isn't the purpose of that program really to kind of supplement the historical education of this age group of kids, because they're not really taught much about the judiciary in their historic or history programs? Is that right?
No, that's exactly right. I mean, they don't. Don't get me started on history education, but yes, what this program does is talks about the history of the Texas legal system in kind of an episodic way that ties in with what they do learn in class, on the timeline. But then talks about the third branch of government, talks about the structure of the different courts, talks about a few cases, talks about how judges make decisions. So it's really a great program. As an example, we talk about the first lawyer in Texas perhaps being a Karankawa medicine man who saved the life of some Spanish explorers. So, it's a pretty interesting program.
It is. I hope they want to bring it to Fort Worth. I'd love to be a part of that.
Well, it's available. Just somebody got to take the laboring oar in the Bar Association, wherever you want to do it. It is, we try coordinating all the volunteers and getting the schools to sign up. I mean, there's a lot of logistical work, but when you go into that classroom and you get to make it real for the kids, you find out, what they are interested in this stuff. So it's good.
That's definitely, I remember vague references to the Texas judicial system going through school, but beyond that, it was, we have one, and it's got some courts in it, and that was about as deep as any of it ever went.
Yeah.
Well, I know that program, as you said, has had a lot of success in Houston. And so we've had some discussions here in Austin about trying to bring it here. And like I said, I know that they've been having those same conversations in Dallas. And I think they're actually in the process of getting it launched, if they haven't already, in Dallas. And so if we've got bar leaders out there listening who are interested in helping to bring this program to their bar association, we'll definitely be happy to put you in touch with the right folks to make this happen.